Okay, so today we're going to learn how to read five people's minds with a deck of cards. So this card trick is really easy, but it's really long. So I'm not going to perform it and then show you how to do it. I'm just going to kind of show you how to do it as I go. So the only bad thing about this trick is that there is a slight setup. And the slight setup is that you need um, five cards, all the same suit of, ascending order or something that you can remember, and you use those as key cards. So I just use 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of diamonds just to help myself out. And so we'll see how those work out in the long run. But what we're going to do is we're going to make 5 piles of 5. So basically the bottom card of here are going to be my key cards, and these are the cards that I'm going to remember. So that's how those work out. And so now we're just going to make my 5 piles of 5. And then the rest of the cards can go away. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our first spectator mix up the cards a little bit, and then they're going to choose a card. So 7 of hearts. I'm going to write that down over here. Then we have our next spectator, mix up the cards a little bit, and choose a card. 10 of clubs. Third spectator, mix it up, choose a card. 6 of hearts. Third spectator, mix them up, choose card. King of diamonds. And then our fifth spectator, take the cards, mix them up, choose a card. So 10 of hearts. And so now the spectator can tell you to pick up the cards in any order. So let's just say they say pick it up here, then there, and there, then there. And so now this is really the only key part of the trick right here, is that whatever order you put the cards the first time, so I put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's how you have to put it this time. So you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just the same as the last time. And now you can lay the cards out any way you want, however the spectator wants you to do it. You just have to make sure that you have to do it in a layer of 5. You can't just do 5 cards in the middle, 5 cards on the outside, something like that. So have them pick however you want to do it. It can be totally random. And then they can have you pick them up again. Over here. And now the trick is pretty much done. So what you do now is you take 5 cards off the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you don't reverse the order. Just flip them over and then spread them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip them over, spread them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip them over, spread them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip them over, spread them out. And then the last 5, spread those out too. So now in the beginning I told you to remember your key cards. So right now I'm looking for all my even diamonds. So I got my 2, 4, 6, and then 8 and 10 or somewhere. There's my 10 and 8. And so now I'm going to look for my spectator. And I'm going to ask them to point to whatever pile has their card in it. Not what card it is, just whatever pile has it. So they're going to say it's in this pile. And so their card is always going to match up to where your first key card is. So my 2 diamonds. So since my 2 diamonds is on the top of this pile, that means that their card has to be the 7 of hearts right here, which it is. So that's pretty much how this trick works out, is that the cards just line up with each other as when you know what pile it is. So now you look for your second card, your 4 diamonds right here, and you ask your second spectator, what pile is your card in? And their card was the 10 of clubs, so you know that this is their card, but they're going to point to this pile, and since your 4 diamonds or your key card is the second card, you know that their card is going to be the second card, so you know that their card is the 10 of clubs, which is correct again. So then you look to your third spectator and you find your key card, your 6 of diamonds right here, and you ask them what pile is their card in. And their card is the 6 of hearts, so they're going to point to this pile again. your card is the second card right here, so their card's going to be a second card right here. So that works out. The fourth card, you're looking for your 8 of diamonds, so this third one right here. And their card, the spectator's card, is the king of diamonds. So they're going to point to this pile, and you notice that it's the third card, this king of diamonds, because that's where your card is. So now you're looking at your last card, your 10 of diamonds, and their card is the 10 of hearts, so they're also going to point to this pile again. So since your card is this first card, their card is going to be this first card, this 10 of diamonds. And so that's pretty much the entire trick. So you just pretty much have to remember your key cards and remember the steps, and their card will always line up with your card in a different pile. And so that's the trick. That's how you read 5 people's minds. And we'll learn another card trick next time.